Still wasting space in your truck bed? Watch this. This pickup truck drawer system completely transforms truck storage. Instead of tools, gear, and equipment sliding around, everything stays organized, secure, and easy to access. The heavy-duty drawers glide out smoothly, giving you instant access to your essentials without climbing into the truck bed. Whether you're a contractor, outdoor enthusiast, or daily driver, this system saves time and maximizes every inch of space. It's durable, practical, and built for real-world use. If you want a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient truck setup, this pickup truck drawer system is definitely worth checking out. Want to keep your truck looking brand new? Check this out. This compatible hood protector is a simple upgrade that makes a huge difference. It helps shield your hood from rocks, road debris, bugs, and everyday wear while adding a bold, rugged look to your truck. Installation is quick, and the durable design is built to handle tough driving conditions. Whether you're commuting, towing, or heading off-road, this hood protector helps preserve your paint and maintain your truck's value. It's practical, stylish, and designed for long-lasting protection. If you care about your truck's appearance, this is an accessory worth having. Turn your Cybertruck into the ultimate adventure machine. The Cybertruck Basecamp is the perfect upgrade for anyone who wants more freedom on the road. This innovative setup transforms your truck bed into a comfortable and practical space for camping, traveling, and outdoor adventures. Designed for convenience and durability, it gives you a smart way to carry gear while creating a ready-to-use shelter wherever you go. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or taking a weekend trip, Cybertruck Basecamp brings comfort, protection, and futuristic style. It's not just an accessory, it's a new way to experience your truck. No more warm drinks on the road. Check out this smart truck gadget. This portable car fridge is the perfect upgrade for truck owners, travelers, and outdoor lovers. It keeps your food and drinks perfectly chilled wherever your journey takes you. Compact, powerful, and easy to carry, this fridge is designed for road trips, camping, work, and everyday adventures. With efficient cooling performance and a practical design, you can enjoy fresh supplies anytime, anywhere. Whether you're exploring off-road trails or spending a weekend outdoors, this portable car fridge brings convenience and comfort to your truck setup. A small gadget that makes a big difference. Loading heavy gear has never been this easy. Watch this. The Loaded Rear Bot Loader is a smart upgrade that makes truck loading faster and more convenient. Designed to help move heavy items with less effort, this system gives you better control and saves you time during loading and unloading. Whether you're carrying equipment, tools, or outdoor gear, it helps turn your pickup truck into a more efficient work machine. Built for strength and everyday use, this innovative truck accessory brings extra functionality to your setup. If you want a smarter way to handle cargo, this is a game-changing addition for your pickup. Protect your truck bed like never before. Check this out. The BedRug Classic Bed Liner is the perfect upgrade for pickup truck owners who want protection and comfort together. It provides a soft yet durable surface that helps protect your truck bed from scratches, dents, and daily damage while keeping your cargo safe. Its rugged design handles tough jobs, outdoor adventures, and everyday use with ease. Unlike traditional liners, it gives your truck bed a premium feel while adding extra functionality. Whether you're hauling tools, gear, or equipment, BedRug Classic helps keep your truck cleaner, safer, and ready for anything. What if your truck bed had a hidden high-security storage system? Meet the TruckVault Field Ranger, one of the coolest inventions for pickup trucks. Designed for maximum security and organization, this premium storage system transforms your truck bed into a protected space for tools, equipment, valuables, and outdoor gear. Its heavy-duty construction and secure lock-in drawers help keep your belongings safe while providing quick and easy access whenever you need them. Whether you're a contractor, hunter, adventurer, or everyday truck owner, the Field Ranger adds convenience and peace of mind to every journey. It's a smart upgrade that combines security, durability, and professional-grade functionality in one package.